Okay, I'm gonna be welding here my QS10 connector. I had this battery that I was using the QS8, and now I'm changing for the QS10 that is here. The first thing I'm gonna be doing is pre-teen. I'm gonna put some weld here, solder in the connector. It's warming up, but I guess I can do it now. Gonna put a little bit more. There we go. That's enough. And that's my negative already has spray tin. Let me just put a little bit more just in case. Just in case. This is cable 6 AWG. That's it. I'm gonna put a little bit more just for make sure it's a good. There we go. The BMS is off, so it's no way that I can make a mistake here. Let me shut it off. Now I'm gonna swap. Clean this first. That's 750 degrees. Good. Now same with the power cable. This one is gonna be more tough because it's more short. I'm not using flux because I already use it in this. Let me get more. Just a little bit. That's it. That's it. All right, let's make this now quickly. Maybe it's not gonna look good in the camera, but trying to make it the most straight as possible. Come on. There we go. All the way in. Perfect. Now hold it. Let me put it a little bit lower now in power. 700. Just want to add a little bit more. There we go. You will let it cool down. Perfect. That's it. Let me take out the phone from here and show you the final product. Much better. Now, just put this back, and that's it. Ready. The machine, as I mentioned, see, this is the Weller. I have two in here. I have three in total, but this one, as I mentioned, is I'm using the WP200. I have the 400, the 120 that I use the same base, and the small one is for the small stuff. That's the 95. Both of them. This one is WT1. This one is WT1H, which means high voltage. If you see, well, super easy. That's cable 6, and with a QS10 connector. All right. That's a, well, I might stop here. That's a 52 battery, 52 volts. All right, have a good one.